Today we're showing you a 2022 Massey Ferguson 1825E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has just under 100 hours on it. It's a very, very low hour machine. It does come with a balance of the factory Massey Ferguson warranty. Engine is rated at 24 horsepower, and again it does come with the FLX 2407 quick attach front loader. The loader does have the skid steer style quick attach here for your bucket connection. It's got a few minor chips in the paint on the hood here, a little bit of a ding there in the center. It's pretty minor, but it is noticeable if you look at the tractor closely. Overall, very, very sharp tractor. Tires are excellent. It does have the foldable rollover bar, complete 3-point with drawbar and top link. Has the stabilizers on both sides of the 3-point arms. And again, this is the gear transmission. It has a high-low range, which is located right here, and then it has 4 gears in the center here, which gives you a total of 8 speeds, and then the forward reverse up here on the dash. Looks like that Massey Ferguson warranty runs into April of 2027. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at massedtractor.com.